Hey guys, maybe it's just me, but when it comes to HTS's heat transfer vinyl, there's so many colors and so many types to choose from. So today we're gonna look at using some of the embossed, holographic, and some soft metallic, as well as a little bit of the glitter. One of the things I like to add is a weeding box around my design. So here we go, we're gonna cut this out now. Now this is a soft metallic that I got with my mega pack order. And you know we all love those. As you can see, the box is cut out and we have our weeding area. Work with some glitter. Time to make the ribbon. I only want to make sure that you adjust your settings for glitter and not cut the wrong item out. And we're gonna send this as is because I've already mirrored this design. This red glitter came from a weekly sale. And yes, I know we all fight over those dibs. Those mega packs are great when we get them. So this is just one of the great glitters that I got. There you can see it. It's cut through the glitter and we can see the opposite side. You can see as it twists and shimmers, there is the design hidden in all that glitter. Okay, here we go. All those little circles are supposed to be for rhinestones, and instead of us using or making a rhinestone template, what we're gonna do here is use the crystal silver embossed heat transfer that I got from Heat Transfer Source, and we're gonna create a faux rhinestone look. And I had it on a low setting and it cut through. However, we'll save this project. Don't worry, we'll get it fixed. I've taken an old transfer sheet that I've used from another project and I've laid it across the top. I'll weed out the design, and once I've weeded out the design, everything should still stick to this other carrier sheet as well, and I shouldn't lose any of my rhinestones. And so now we have carrier sheets, two carrier sheets basically on one, and I should be able to weed my design without losing any of my rhinestones. It helps to have a nice light and a great sharp needle pen to help prick through here, because this stuff can stick if you have ever used it. Sometimes when you're weeding certain vinyls, it'll start to separate. Don't forget we have two carrier sheets because of the little boo-boo earlier of cutting through the first carrier, so I had to make up for that. But we'll start peeling this off. But again, it is normal to see that happen. Don't stress. You know, you're cutting far enough from the design that you don't have to worry. As I'm peeling this, you can see that the dots are staying. Some of them will slide, but I'll just press them back down. So as you can see, I was able to peel off the material. And here we go with the excess designs. The extra carrier sheet that I added on is actually really stuck to this now. But I don't know if you can see them. So far, I think they look amazing. Our faux rhinestones. One last item to cut, and that's our green glitter before we get ready to prep our area for pressing and design. You have to love this green glitter. It's amazing. It's super green and it's perfect for Christmas. Have any of you purchased the tea towels from HTS? They're nice, they're thick. They're not like the ones you would get at Walmart. They actually are sturdy and they're super big. All right, everyone, we've got our items cut and we're going to put them on this tea towel that I got from HTS. So the first thing I want to do is prep my towel and get this pressed so I can get those lines out of there. Tease on what our faux rhinestones look like. I think it's coming together. Now I'll have to separate this without destroying it. Our placement looks good. Yes, I do use my ruler. Melted one once too. And more magic is about to happen. 15 seconds worth of press time. So we'll get that pressed, and it's going to be a cold peel, so we'll use our great cooling block. Look at that. And as we move this around, you can see how it shimmers and looks like our faux rhinestones. I have to say, I think it worked well.
For more tutorials like this, just subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit the bell to be notified of all new tutorials. Thanks again, everyone.